The modernization of the Leclerc MBT, main battle tank, to the standard Leclerc XLR is part of an ambitious modernization program of the French called Scorpion program, which consists of a $6.8 billion multi-company modernization effort aimed at replacing all French frontline fighting vehicles with improved platforms linked with a new and unified communications and battlefield management system, BMS. This BMS is underpinned by the concept of collaborative combat, which seeks to connect squads, vehicles, battle groups, and brigades in a single network. Overall, the Scorpion program mostly intends to upgrade a set of aging land vehicles and systems, while preserving France's industrial base. This program appears to be essential for France, as it will permit the country to modernize its Joint Tactical Battalions, or Groupement Tactique Interarmes, GTI, which already allow the army to coordinate the actions and the expertise of each branch of the land forces, under the single command of a central regiment, French Ministry of the Armed Forces, 2018. These battalions are then able to conduct coordinated actions in order to reach tactical goals assigned during a military intervention. These GTIA have notably proven their efficiency during the French intervention in Afghanistan in 2001, due to their strong organizational flexibility. Incorporated into the Land Forces Modernization Plan of 2020, the Scorpion program aims at renewing, from 2018 onwards, the median contact battle capabilities of two platforms, namely the multi-role armored vehicles and armored reconnaissance and combat vehicle, in French VBMR and EBRC, and the unique combat information system known as Scorpion, SICS. The Leclerc Scorpion or XLR is a modernized version of the French-made Leclerc main battle tank, MBT, designed and manufactured by the French company Nexter Systems. The upgraded Leclerc MBT will have more firepower and protection. The Leclerc XLR keeps the original main armament of the standard Leclerc, which consists of a giant 120mm 52 caliber smoothbore gun designated the CN 120-26. The roof of the turret will be equipped now with a remotely operated weapon station manufactured by the Belgian company FN Herstal, which will be armed with a 7.62mm machine gun.